back to the channel. So we just passed Lindsay Crescent on the left, and then we have active billboard right there beside Roman's Funeral Home, and we have some persons getting their cardio in, some persons running, some walking. So welcome back to the channel, guys. You know it is Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're back on the Raymore reviews. So today we're doing an early morning drive. So I'm in the corporate area, so just showing you guys, you know, what's happening on the road this early. So it's around 5:30 a.m. and we know the curfew finishes in the morning at 5 a.m. So, you know, persons would have been on the road now, you know, some rushing to work, some walking, some jogging, you know, some, you know, getting their business on the way. So we're right here on Boulevard, approaching the vicinity of the stoplight with Boulevard and the Constant Spring Road. So we'll take the right to head into Alpha Tree. Alright guys, we know the drill by now. If you've watched a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. You know, once that icon is still showing red, click it, turn it gray, and join the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like. Some more persons running on the left of the screen. Alright, so remember to like the video. Wherever you are in the video now, you can click that like button. Leave a comment. And definitely share as well. So we're on Constant Spring Road heading into Alpha Tree. So, you know, these areas around 8, 9 will be full of traffic, you know, when everyone is heading out to work. But right now around 5:30, not so bad. So we have Popeyes on the left, and most of the plazas start right now going into Alpha Tree, Savannah Plaza, Kings Plaza. So both sides now heading into the center of Alpha Tree will be just basically plazas. 7th Avenue Plaza on the left right there. Alright, so it's an early morning drive with you guys, just showing you around the corporate area. We have Lane Plaza on the left, Twin Gates Plaza on the right, the Village Plaza on the left. So some of these plazas are not yet open to traffic, so they're still empty. We have the Mall Plaza on the left again, Constant Spring Arcade on the right, Tropical Plaza on the left. So we know this stretch of the road is just plazas. Alright guys, so we know on the channel we have a mixture of all different type of videos. So for example, the last video you may see is a video showing the progress of the work on the Via at Raymore luxury apartment complex, which included some drone shots as well. And then today we are doing a driving video, so we try to be versatile. So we have the transport center coming up in the right of the screen. That's where all the buses pass through. And then right here in Alpha Tree is one of the busiest, or the busiest area in Jamaica for commuters, for pedestrian. You know, persons coming from all over Jamaica will pass through Alpha Tree. And And then coming up is the Alpha 3 clock right at the NTB, right at the intersection here with Hope Road. So we'll go in this lane because we'll be taking a right turn. Alright, so again, persons are just coming out, so the traffic is good. Those taxis right there are going into New Kingston. New Kingston is full of call centers, so you know that's a very popular route. Lots of call centers in New Kingston, so persons are running into work. Again, we're at the intersection with basically Constant Spring Road and Hope Road, and then across this light, then basically Alpha 3 Road will start. So again, early morning drives are showing you guys what's happening on the road. Sorry about that, the camera just got a little jerk. So they're showing you guys what's happening on the road this time of the day, this time of the morning. York Plaza over that side, and then right over to the left is the popular Portmore bus stop. Anytime you hear Portmore bus stop, they're talking that area on the left. And then this road on the left runs down Ugly Park Road to 3 Mile. Alright guys, just continue enjoying the drive, and remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the drill, guys. So we're now on Eastwood Park Road. This is the bottom end or the back end of the transport center. So it's basically two in some instances 2 floors, in some instances 3 floors, probably even 4 floors based on, you know, the section that you're at. The top level have very high roof. So we're on Eastwood Park Road now. And then Cornwall Drive on the left. It's a pity the traffic couldn't be like this throughout the entire day. You know, the road is clear and nice. Springs Plaza on the right, so to the right is gonna be some of the back entrances to some of the plazas we passed initially on Constant Spring Road. So traffic running one direction on Constant Spring Road heading to Alpha 3. And then traffic heading back out to Constant Spring Road, Dunrobin, runs on this road, Eastwood Park Road. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for liking the video, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being a part of the family, thanks for always commenting, thanks for all you do. And I'll definitely see you on another driving video.